Are you spending hours writing YouTube scripts and getting zero clients from them? Well, I had the same problem until I built these 7 Claude skills. I use them every week to write YouTube scripts for myself and my clients, and I'll be sharing them from the simplest to most advanced. The first 3 are the beginner skills, and these help me write scripts in under 1 hour. And these are scripts that get me email signups too, even from videos that don't get a lot of views. The last 4 are the advanced skills, and with these, Claude writes my entire script from start to finish, even when I'm not at my computer. But starting out with the first beginner skill, and this one is one of my favorites because it allows me to write a full YouTube script with just 5 minutes of talking. Let me show you what this looks like. So I'm in my Claude workspace right now, and I open up a new chat and type run outline skill. Claude will then find the outline writer skill in my workspace, and then from here, I just talk. I start up Whisperflow, which is a speech-to-text tool, and then I brain dump for 5 minutes on the topic that I want to make a video on. So I have an example brain dump right here, and basically what I do here is I just run through every story and every random opinion that I have on it in whatever order that it falls out of my head. Even if it's a jumbled mess, Claude can take that and organize it for you. And from there, all I do is I paste it into the Claude chat and hit enter. And this is great because as the founder of the business, I'm the ideas guy. It's not a good use of my time to sit there working out which point should come first or which point sets up another. So now, instead of staring at this blinking cursor in a blank Google Doc, hating my life, I can just hand Claude the ideas the same way you'd hand them to an employee in your business. And then from there, Claude then runs the logic and comes back with a full outline ready to script. And by the way, if you want this skill as well as the other skills in this video, then click the link in the description below. But moving into beginner skill number 2, and the legendary advertiser David Ogilvy had a rule about writing copy. He said that 80 cents of every dollar you spend on an ad goes to the headline, because if the headline doesn't work, then nobody reads the next line. And the same thing happens on YouTube. If a viewer leaves in the first 30 seconds, then the other 10 minutes of the video don't matter. Your intro is the headline of the video. So I've built a skill that writes your intros based on some rules that I've set. The main one is the gap framework. Now, every intro needs 3 things. The first is the gain, and this is what the viewer wants by the end of the video. You also have the audience, and this is who specifically the video is for. And then third, we have the pain, and this is what your viewers are stuck on right now. And you've literally watched this work. The intro you saw in this very video was written by Claude. So I'll put it up on the screen with the elements of the gap framework highlighted for you to see. Now moving into beginner skill number 3. So now we've got the intro written, but we now need to write the rest of the script. And this is the part that Claude often messes up because often the main body sections come back sounding like ChatGPT wrote them. So I built a body section skill. But the mistake most business owners make is using just one skill for their body sections. What I realized is that the body sections have different variants. Like sometimes you might tell a story, sometimes you might share a framework or a list, and they're all a little bit different. So that's why I built 6 separate skills with one for each. And the cool thing is that the outline skill already knows about these variants, so when it plans the video, it suggests the best variant for each point. But those are the 3 beginner skills. So now let's move on to the 4 advanced skills where it gets more interesting. Because with this setup, Claude can write my entire script from scratch, even when I'm away from my computer. But starting out with advanced skill number 1. And this one fixes the problem where you get a lot of views, but you don't get any sales. So my videos don't get a lot of views. I get around 100 to 200 each at the moment. But in the last 30 days, I picked up 122 new email subscribers. That's a 52.5% increase. So here are 2 tips to improve your CTAs. But starting with CTA tip number 1, and the first video I posted on this channel completely blew up, getting over 100,000 views. But the problem was that I put my only CTA at the very end of the video. Now, it made sense at the time because trust builds over time. So by the end of the video, my viewers are ready to act, right? But then I pulled up the retention graph, and at the end, 26% of viewers were still watching, but at the 1 minute 30 second mark, 53% were still watching. So if I just put the CTA earlier in the video, I would have doubled the number of people who heard it. And through my personal experience, I've noticed that videos where I put the CTA earlier tend to get a better view to lead ratio. Now moving on to CTA tip number 2, and this one is what really made the difference when it came to getting more leads. It's what you actually give away as your lead magnet. So I used to give away free info products and PDF guides, but these are so overdone to the point where nobody sees the value in them anymore. And to explain why, let's look at Alex Hormozi's value equation. So 2 of these matter most here. It's time delay and effort. A PDF guide scores low on both. And this is because you have to read the whole thing and then figure out how to apply the knowledge. But with a tool, you just copy and paste and you're done. So now I give away tools. For example, in this video, I gave away my actual Claude skills that the viewer can drop into their workflow and use on the same day. But I actually have a Claude skill for writing CTAs as well. Now, sometimes I don't know where to put the CTAs or which CTA makes more sense for a certain section in the video. And so what this does is it scans my script and has full access to all my offers and my lead magnets. The skill can then read each section and see which offer fits, and then place the CTA at the right spot so we get the most clicks per video. And speaking of CTAs, I actually have a free 1-hour course that dives into how to use these skills that I just talked about in this video. And I know I just spent the whole section talking about why you should not give away info as a CTA, but this one actually pairs very well with the Claude skills. There's a lot of information that I can't put into this video, so just check it out. I laid out everything step by step on how to build the whole script writing system for your business, and it's all for free, so check it out. Links in the description. Now moving on to advanced skill number 2, and if you've used Claude for writing, you've probably had this experience. Claude writes the script, and then the first draft comes back full of AI patterns. So you sit there doing the same revisions you've done a dozen times, and it's super frustrating. But think about how humans write. The first draft is never perfect, right? You always go back and you make revisions, sometimes for a third draft. And so Claude works the same way. It needs to do revisions too. But instead of doing the revisions yourself, you can have Claude do them itself. That's what this next skill is. After every stage of the script, I run a quality control skill that gives Claude a checklist of the patterns that it likes to do. These are things like the filler line at the end that just repeats what it already said, or the rule of 3 sentences that are way too long. And Claude runs through what it wrote, it catches 2 or 3 mistakes, and then rewrites everything. So by the time I read the draft, all the annoying things are already gone. But moving on to advanced skill number 3. And this is the fun one because with this one, I can write a full script from start to finish without even being at my computer. Because before this, I was babysitting Claude through every step, like approving the intro and every single body section one by one. So I built a skill that chains all the steps together. So let me show you. So we did our brain dump into Claude and we have the outline ready. The next step is to type write script autodraft. And so it runs, and at this point, I can basically just walk away from my computer. Now I still approve the outline first because that's the one part where I want to make sure that it's good, because with AI, if you give it garbage in, you're going to get garbage out. But after that, Claude will write the whole script from start to finish along with the revisions. And I can go to the gym, I can make food, and when I come back, the script is done. Now sometimes this process can take a while, especially if you're doing other things on your computer that eats up memory. For example, one time I filmed a video showing this exact system and I had the screen recording up as well as Claude running at the same time. On top of that, my laptop is an absolute potato, so it took over 30 minutes just to get the first draft, which was more than 2 times slower than usual. So I actually updated the process to make it faster. Now normally there's one Claude chat running the whole thing in order from start to finish, but Claude actually has a feature called sub-agents. The way to think about it is you have one main Claude managing other Claudes. So each sub-agent has its own memory and its own context, separate from the main one, so they can all run at the same time. So I split off 7 sub-agents, and each one writes a single section at the same time, and then they all send their work back to the main chat that stitches it all together. But moving into advanced skill number 4, and with this one, Claude gets better at writing my script every single time that I use it. So here's how it works. So earlier, I talked about how I was making the same revisions on every single script, which was super annoying. So I built a skill called the skill improvement skill. It's a bit of a tongue twister, but the way it works is that at the end of a script writing session, Claude will look at the final version of my script, as well as the full chat history with every single little change that I asked it to make, and then Claude will suggest updates to the main writing skills so that the same mistakes don't show up next time. It's basically an auto improvement loop where every script I write makes the system better for the next script. Now I touched on this earlier, but Claude can still sound like AI even if you're running all of these skills. And the real reason for this is because your files aren't doing enough work. So watch this video next where I'll show you the exact fix. I'll put it up on the screen for you to watch next.